Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. It's been a while. I think yesterday we didn't have any updates. It was Sunday. I thought I'm just going to take the day off. But since I took the day off from Sunday, a lot happened. Okay, so many things has already changed in 24 hours. A lot can happen in crypto, of course. So what happened, right? This is what happened. What happened is that we started going up a little bit, and it seems like we're starting to make one pattern. Probably an ascending triangle is in the making. This is in my opinion. So if we have a potential ascending triangle or something like that, we can actually expect it to go something like this, and we can also expect the trend line, which is the support line here, climbing up like that. So in the future you may start to see that you go up here, you move a little bit sideways, you break above, and then you go to the upside. So if this is actually something that is in the line, then we can actually take the top to bottom, and hopefully we're going to see Pepe coming up one more time to this technical target, and that's going to be all the way even up to 18,791. Pretty much make another leg to the upside and continue to go. So that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, office.